हाँ जी, ज़माना है कनेक्टेड कार्स का, ज़माना है इंटेलिजेंट मोबिलिटी का, ज़माना है स्मार्ट बनने का और ज़माना है टू बी द इंटेलिजेंट गाय. In fact, to be the better guy. Now, what am I talking about? Well, of course, you all know the rules and regulations that we have to follow when you're on the road with yourself and your loved ones in the car. और साथ ही साथ आप जानते हैं पेडिस्ट्रियन सेफ्टी के बारे में, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं जिनके बारे में हम लोग भूल गए हैं या गलती से उनको नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं. तो आज हम ऐसे ही कुछ रूल्स के बारे में, कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के बारे में ध्यान रखेंगे, बातें करेंगे. कुछ मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, कुछ आप मुझे बताएंगे और फाइनली जब वीडियो खत्म करेंगे तो विल मेक अ प्लेज एंड टेक अ प्लेज रादर to be the better guy on the road, inside the car, and to take care of our families as well as fellow motorists when we're driving down the road. This, of course, is Ashish Masih Cars, and this is a special feature video called Be the Better Guy, which we're doing in association with Hyundai Motor India Limited. Let's get started with this video. When it comes to driving, what is the first thing you should do when you enter the car?
We should enter, when we enter in the car, we should wear a seat belt and look at the surroundings as anyone is there or not. We should not just rashly drive and start the car.
Nowadays आजकल कोरोना का टाइम चल रहा है तो उससे पहले हमें अपने पूरी बॉडी को सैनिटाइज करना चाहिए, हैंड सैनिटाइज करने चाहिए, गाड़ी का स्टीयरिंग सैनिटाइज करना चाहिए.
So you often use your car with different set of people, your family, your friends, or there could be an outsider. So sanitization of car often can definitely work as a safety measure.
You have to ensure that you are wearing seat belt and you have sanitizer in your car. I think in today's world that is the best thing you can do.
Usually switch on the car and then probably like check the lights and everything that nothing is like blinking, and make sure like the gears are in the proper place, either it's in neutral or like there's a handbrake or something.
Well, I usually sit down and I fasten the seatbelt.
Apart from the front seat belt, what about the occupants at the back? Do you think it's important for them to wear seat belt also?
Yeah, seatbelts are important regardless of whether you're in the front or the back.
आजकल वैसे चालान भी कर दिए हैं ट्रैफिक पुलिस ने, क्योंकि पीछे की सीट बेल्ट भी चलाना है, आगे की भी चलाना है.
Yeah, it is important. It saves you from like a crash, or if something wrong happens, it protects you.
Well, seat belts are primarily for the safety, and I think every passenger who is sitting in the car must wear a seat belt because safety is the most important thing. People are waiting for you at home.
When you see a red light and when you see it turn from green to orange, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
So the first thing which comes to our mind is let's go and rush, but ideally we should not do it. We should slow down and see the other safety as well, and we should only walk above the red light or the green light when it is green only.
कैमरेज भी बहुत हैं दिल्ली में. रेड लाइट जम के और स्टॉप लाइन से पहले ही रोकनी चाहिए गाड़ी और बिल्कुल ग्रीन पे ही निकालनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल मतलब.
If there's time, you should definitely like pause and just like wait behind the zebra crossing. But if there's time, you can probably just take it out.
So when it turns from green to orange, we should wait and we should not rush. We have to ensure that red light is properly green, then only we should move.
When you see a zebra crossing, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Should you stand on it? Should you cross it? Or should you wait for the other people to cross it?
Well, ideally, if it is a red light and we are on the road, we should stop before the zebra crossing such that the pedestrians walk through easily, and we should care about their safety first.
Give pedestrians the right of way because they are more vulnerable on the road than you are inside your own vehicle.
नहीं, गवर्नमेंट ने स्टॉप लाइन बनाई हुई है. स्टॉप लाइन से पहले रोकनी चाहिए ताकि ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग से लोग इजीली क्रॉस कर लें और उनको दिक्कत ना हो.
हाँ, तो आज का आखिरी सवाल जो हम सबसे पूछेंगे वो ये है दैट व्हाट आर द टॉप 3 थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू टू बी द बेटर गाय योरसेल्फ ऑन द रोड, बोथ फॉर योरसेल्फ एज वेल एज फॉर योर लव्ड वंस. तो ये सवाल हम पूछते हैं, बाकी सवाल तो आप सुन ही चुके हैं, इनके जवाब क्या हैं.
So in terms of improving the road safety, I think the first thing is you have to ensure that you are following traffic rules while you are on road. You should not jump red lights, and you have to ensure that safety for yourself as well as the pedestrian on the road. You have to ensure that you are ensuring that as well.
So as per me, what we can do is while sitting in the car, we should wear a seat belt. In this COVID times, we should keep our sanitizers handy. Along with that, if we have co-passengers in the car, so we have to make sure that everyone is seated and lock the doors and then get on the move.
We should follow the traffic rules बाहर निकलते सबसे पहले हमें जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि मास्क पहनना चाहिए और सीट बेल्ट लगानी चाहिए और रेड लाइट जंप से बचना चाहिए.
We should not drink and drive. That's probably the most important, I'd say. The other would be please use the indicators properly. There's so many times we've seen that, we've got drivers who put their left blinkers on, but then they move to the right lane. And I think the third one would be just don't use your cell phones or any other iPad or anything when you're driving the car.
Well, the first thing is that you should always keep your eyes on the road, and you should constantly scan for traffic and pedestrians crossing the road, so you don't miss them. The other thing you should probably do is make sure you're not drunk or you're not under the influence of any substance that can impede your decision making, because that's really important when you're driving. And the other thing is you should always remember that the roads are full of idiots, so you may be following everything that you should be following, but other people won't. So just watch out for that, and just keep that in mind while you're driving.
To be the better guy on the road, you don't need to be a genius. आपको कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें फॉलो करनी है, आपको कुछ चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना है. जैसे कि अगर आप देखते हैं सिग्नल हरे से ऑरेंज हो गया है, तो ये नहीं कि आप गियर नीचे करें और गाड़ी को भगाएं, आपको बल्कि ब्रेक दबाने और गाड़ी को स्लो करके रोकना है. सेकेंडली, अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि फॉग हो रहा है तो गाड़ी को स्लो चलाएं, यानी कि 100 की स्पीड पर चला रहे हैं. और सीट बेल्ट हमेशा बांधें. मोबाइल फ़ोन यूज़ ना करें गाड़ी चलाते वक्त, ये तो बेसिक्स ही हैं. और अपने साथ साथ जो बाकी लोग गाड़ियाँ चला रहे हैं उनकी भी इज़्ज़त करें. ये ना सोचें कि उसके पास छोटी गाड़ी है या उसके पास बड़ी गाड़ी है तो मैं उसकी इज़्ज़त ना करूँ या उसकी इज़्ज़त ज़्यादा करूँ. एंड डेफिनेटली अगर आप कभी खुदा ना खास्ता लड़ाई झगड़े में पड़ जाते हैं किसी के साथ, आपकी गाड़ी टच हो जाती है, तो अगर आपकी गलती नहीं भी है तो माफ़ी मांग लेंगे, तो कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. क्योंकि सारा लड़ाई झगड़े में पड़ने से अच्छा है कि माफ़ी मांग लें और बात को ख़त्म करें, और जो भी इंश्योरेंस का आपको क्लेम वगैरह सेटल करना है वहीं पर करें. तो ये छोटी मोटी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए टू मेक लाइफ better for not only yourself but also for your loved ones who are in the car with you. तो ये सब बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जो अब तक आप जान ही गए होंगे. और जैसा मैंने कहा कि all these things will help to make life more easy and definitely a lot more safer for you and your loved ones. हाँ, ये तो हो गई बातें आपकी और मेरी. कुछ बातें आपने मुझे बताई, कुछ बातें मैंने आपकी सुनी और कुछ आपने मेरी बातें सुनी. लेकिन अब उनसे बात करते हैं जो इन सारे रूल्स को, रेगुलेशंस को, सेफ्टी प्रोटोकॉल्स को फॉलो करने में और इम्प्लीमेंट करने में हमारी और आपकी मदद करते हैं. आइए मिलते हैं और बात करते हैं विद दी स्पेशल कमिश्नर फॉर ट्रैफिक विद दिल्ली पुलिस और देखते हैं कि ये हमें क्या बताते हैं.
Actually, the most important thing is that one should not drive while one is drunk. Other than that is like you should follow the speed limit, whatever the city has prescribed, and you should not take any shortcut, wrong carriageway movement against the flow of traffic movement. Helmet use, because we have seen for the motorcyclist while they use helmet, the possibility of even after accident getting seriously injured is less. And moreover, one should take care of the pedestrian. So pedestrian is moving, so it is their life and it is the life of the motorist. Both are important. Actually, using mobile phone while driving is an offense, and these are the distractions one should avoid. One should know that one is driving a machine, and machine response, it takes time to give direction to machine and stop the machine. So they should avoid that. Using mobile phone, as I told you, is an offense. And such kind of distraction, drinking coffee or drinking water while driving at high speed, they can always slow down and do those works. Actually, there are two aspects. One is that better enforcement. There would be more challan, and then such kinds of high speed or wrong carriageway movement, or movement without helmet, or movement without seat belt tied up. So use of technology for such kind of violations, and record the violation and communicate to the violator. Those are the things. One aspect is enforcement. Another aspect is their education. So education is like awareness on the road safety, that make them, that makes them a serious driver, not a casual driver, a driver who bothers about others, a driver who bothers about himself. So we have in Delhi Police around 1700 schools under our road safety club. So we circulate road safety literature, we send our team and give lecture to them. So this basic principle of this whole campaign is that catch them young. When they are in a primary school or a middle school, they should know what are the behavior pattern required, what are the safe driving principles. So education and enforcement, that will help changing behavior. So basically rules are just common sense.